Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making New York style triple chocolate cookies. So for these you're going to need some cocoa powder, butter, light brown sugar, some plain flour, some granulated sugar. You need 2 eggs, bicarbonate of soda, a little bit of salt, vanilla bean paste, some baking powder, and of course our chocolate chips. So I've got my dark chocolate, my white chocolate, and my milk chocolate. So I'm going to start by mixing together my butter with both of these sugars until it's nice and fluffy. Alright, so once that's all combined, I'm going to add in my vanilla bean paste and my 2 eggs. And then we're just going to mix all of this together. So now I'm going to add all of my dry ingredients to make our dough. So we're going to start with the plain flour. The cocoa powder. Bicarbonate of soda and our baking powder. And the salt. Then I'm just going to mix all of this together until the dough forms. Alright, so now for the best bit, we're going to add in all of the chocolate chips. So I've got my dark chocolate, my white chocolate, and the milk chocolate. And then just mix all of this together. Okay, so here is our finished cookie dough. Now I'm just going to go ahead and measure this out in balls. I'm going to do 100 grams per ball. If you want to do bigger or smaller, go ahead and do that, but I'm going to do 100 grams. So just grab a handful and just measure them out. And then just plop them on your lined tray. So now the cookie dough is ready to chill. You can put it either in the fridge for 1 hour or in the freezer for half an hour. I'm going to plop mine in the freezer and then they're ready to bake. Okay, so I've just taken my cookie dough out of the freezer. When you're chilling the dough, just preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then we're ready to bake, and you're just going to bake them for 12 to 14 minutes. So here are my finished cookies. They look and smell absolutely delicious. I can't wait to go and eat all these now. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.